Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Moro. My name is Sophia.
Hello, Sophia, and a very warm hello to all of our listeners. I am Leo. Today, we are not just talking about English grammar or vocabulary. We are talking about a feeling that every single language learner in the world knows.
Yes, today we are talking about the fear of speaking. It is that feeling in your stomach when you want to say something in English, but you are too scared. Your heart beats fast, your mind goes empty, and so you say nothing.
It is a terrible feeling. This fear is like a big invisible wall. Behind the wall is a beautiful world of conversation and connection, but you feel stuck.
We want you to know that if you feel this way, you are not alone. It is not your fault. And the most important thing is, you can break down this wall.
That is right. Today, we will talk about why we feel this fear, and then we will give you 3 simple, kind steps to help you become a more confident and brave English speaker.
This will be a very special episode. Let us begin this journey together.
Okay, Sophia. To fix a problem, we must first understand it. Why are we so scared to speak English? What is this fear?
I think the number one reason is the fear of making mistakes. We are afraid that if we say a word wrong, or if our grammar is not perfect, the other person will laugh at us or think we're not smart.
That is so true. We want to be perfect. In our heads, we have a perfect English sentence, but we are afraid that what comes out of our mouth will be a broken, messy sentence.
Exactly. We are afraid of being judged. Another big reason for the fear is the fear of not understanding. What if they reply and they speak too fast? What if they ask a question and I do not know the answer?
Yes, that is a big one. The conversation feels out of control. It feels safer to just be quiet and listen.
So we have the fear of making mistakes and the fear of not understanding. Both of these fears come from one big idea, the idea that we have to be perfect. But today, we want to give you a new idea.
What is the new idea?
The new idea is this: communication is more important than perfection. The goal is not to be a perfect English robot. The goal is to connect with another person.
I love that. Communication, not perfection. If you say a sentence with a small grammar mistake, but the other person understands your idea and smiles, that is a success.
That is a huge success. That is a beautiful moment of human connection. And that is our real goal.
Okay, so we need to focus on communication, not perfection. But how do we do that? How do we take the first step? Let us talk about our 3 kind steps. Sophia, what is step 1?
Step 1 is to start in a safe space. The fear is very big in the real world. So we need to practice where the fear is very small.
What is a safe space for speaking?
A safe space is a place where there is no judgment. The safest space in the world is your own room. You can practice by talking to yourself.
We have talked about this before, but it is so important for building confidence. Just describe what you see. This is my window. I see a tree. The tree is green.
Yes, your brain learns that speaking English is not dangerous. It's a normal activity. Another safe space is with a computer or an app. There are apps where you can talk to an AI bot. The bot will not judge you. You can make 1,000 mistakes, and it's okay.
So step 1 is to build your speaking muscles in a place with zero fear. Okay, what is step 2?
Step 2 is to prepare a few safety sentences.
Safety sentences? What are those?
These are sentences you can use when you are in a real conversation and you feel panic. They are like a life jacket in the water. They save you.
This is a fantastic idea. Can you give us some examples?
Of course. The first one is for when someone speaks too fast. Instead of panicking, you can calmly say, "Could you please speak more slowly?"
That is so useful, and it's very polite. What is another one?
The next one is for when you don't understand a word. You can ask, "What does that word mean?"
It's okay to ask that?
It is more than okay. It shows you're interested and you're trying to understand. And a final safety sentence, if you just didn't hear them, is, "Could you please say that again?"
These are wonderful. Could you please speak more slowly? What does that word mean? Could you please say that again? If you have these sentences in your pocket, you feel more in control. You know you have something to say if you get into trouble.
Exactly. They are your tools for feeling safe. Okay, are you ready for our final step? This one is the most important.
I am ready.
Step 3 is to be kind to yourself.
This is maybe the most difficult step.
It is. After you have a conversation, your brain might want to say, "Oh, I made so many mistakes. My accent was bad. I was so slow." We are often our worst critic.
So what should we do instead?
Instead, I want you to find one small victory, one thing you did well. Maybe you only said one sentence. Celebrate it. Maybe you understood one question. That's a success. Maybe you were scared, but you tried anyway. That is the biggest victory of all.
So we need to change the voice in our head. Instead of being a critic, we need to be a friend. A friend would say, "Wow, you were so brave today. I'm proud of you."
Yes, be your own best friend on this journey. Learning a language is difficult. You must be kind to yourself.
And those are our 3 kind steps to overcoming the fear of speaking. Let us remember them one last time.
1. Start in a safe space, like talking to yourself. 2. Prepare your safety sentences, like, "Could you please speak more slowly?" And 3. Be kind to yourself and celebrate every small victory.
The fear of speaking is real, but it is not stronger than you are. Every time you open your mouth to speak, even just to say hello, you are breaking down that invisible wall. You are choosing bravery over fear.
Please remember that your voice is a gift. Your story is important. The world needs to hear you with your beautiful accent and with all of your wonderful imperfections. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be you.
And for our question of the day, we want you to practice step 3. Go to the comment section below and tell us one small English victory you had this week.
Did you understand a song? Did you say thank you in English? Did you just listen to this whole podcast? That's a huge victory. Please share your success with us. We want to celebrate with you.
Thank you for listening to Slow English with Mr. Moro. You are braver than you think.
Keep practicing and be kind to yourself. We will be back soon with another lesson. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.